Welcome back to ClearTask. If you need to create a printable document, like a resume or a flyer in PowerPoint, you will need to change your slide to a standard A4 size. Let me show you exactly how to do this in just a few seconds. First, open your PowerPoint presentation, look at the top menu ribbon and click on the Design tab. Next, look over to the far right side of your screen. You will find an option called Slide Size. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Custom Slide Size. A small settings window will immediately pop up on your screen. In this new window, look for the drop-down menu labeled Slide Sized For. Click on it and scroll through the list until you find A4 paper. Now, you can choose your page orientation. For a standard document or CV, select Portrait. If you need a wide page, select Landscape. Click OK. PowerPoint will then ask if you want to maximize your content or ensure fit. If you are starting with a blank slide, either option works. If you already have text or images on the screen, choose Ensure Fit to keep everything neatly inside the page borders. And that is it. Your slide is now perfectly sized to A4 and ready to print. If this quick guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct professional tutorials. Thanks for watching.